everyone, this is my video 100. Now I have come so far from video number 1 up to video 100, and I hope all of you enjoyed the video so far. Now my name is Kelvin Ng, and in this video I'm going to talk about how are we going to create the approval code based on the month. So using the text formula, which is the ampersand symbol, the text functions, and the if logic. We couple with the let function to define the names for the formula. Now, this is what I'm trying to do. Take a look. Now, I have here the date and the branch. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that whenever that this is in January, whenever it's in January, I would like it to start with 1. So all those that is in January, you see that the code is the same, except that it will be 2, 3, 4. And when it comes to another month, like February, if the month is different, then we will see that this is going to start with 1 again, 2, then 3. So let's see how are we going to do that. So let's start something simple here. So let's find the best combination first. So the SKBB. So we're going to put there SBKK, right? So that's SBKK, and we are going to couple that with the code, which is so I'm going to put the N, whatever that is inside the C3, and we're going to put in the dash, right? Then followed by the date, right? Followed by the date. So I'm going to put here N. So the date is actually taking like the year to 2023, then followed by the the month. So I'm going to use the text function of this particular date, and I'm going to convert it to YYMM. Right. So then I will put it the N001. So let's see, what do I get? There you go. I get this. However, if I were to pull this one down, I will still have 2311, and I'm not going to get much of a difference. That's not what I want. That's not what I'm planning to. It's going to be like, if I pull this one down and it's still in January, then it will be 2, then it will be 3, then it will be 4. So how do I do that? Now, first, let's take a look at how we can simplify this information first by checking the before and the after. So if this is today, right, that means this particular date here, right, which is in B3, is actually today. So I'm going to make a copy of this. Okay, I'm going to put there let, right, let's just say I put here current. Okay, and this is the formula. Okay, comma, and I'll put there previous, okay, comma, and I'm going to paste the same thing, but I'm going to point it to B2 instead. B2. So previous, it should be B2, and followed by the formula, right? Followed by this formula. So this formula, I'm going to put here if, right, my current, okay, is equals to previous. Now I will say not equals to previous. Then, right, if this is not equals to the previous month, then I will just use this. Right, I will just use this, and I'm going to put here 001 because I need the 001. There you go, like this. What happened if it's not? So I'm going to take this again, right? So this is going to be the current and 001. Okay, so that's it. Then I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this, copy and paste. So you notice that it's going to be the same at the moment. So if this is not equal, then you use this. If it's equal, right? That means if it's equal, then it should be, if it's not equal, then it will be 1. If it's not equal, then we will take the last digit. Okay, we use the current. Then we will use the last digit. So I go to the right. Okay, now I'm going to change this into value first. Whatever it is, I'm going to change it into value. Right hand side of the cell above. Okay, whatever the cell above. Plus, right? So I'll tell them that go to the right hand side of whatever that is above and is in a value. Then, yep, I'm going to close the bracket. Plus one. Let me close the bracket and let's see if I can get it. So this is the correct one. There you go. It has two, then it has three, right? So if I copy this down, see all those that starts with a new month, it will start there. There you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, right? So that's how it can be done. Every time that it starts with 1, then it will be uh, 2302, 2301. So that's how the approval code that they wanted to create. All right, so I believe this is not a very complicated formula. If you put something, some thought to it, and you put some tweaking around it, yeah, you will find a solution. So please help me to share this to a lot of people that you think that need this kind of solution. Please like and share, and I hope you enjoy the video so far. Yahoo! I got 100 video now. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again in my next video 101. Thank you so much.